Welcome to Giant Ketchup. My name, Shea. You may have seen me in Haircut.
Yeah.
The worst movie ever. Or the best movie ever. I mean, what if my head had been cut off? You may have already encountered me in one of the 8 dark corners of the internet. I post on 8 forums. You may have found this video on YouTube. YouTube. I hate YouTube. I'm on YouTube. Or you may have found this on Google Video. How many hours of Google Video have you not watched? Or you may be just lucky enough to be watching it on Giant Ketchup. Kick-ass ketchup. Biggest, baddest ketchup this side of the international date line. Alright, our first question is from the Giant Ketchup Council itself. You know, the guys who run this place. Go ahead.
Down. And left and right.
I, Shea, have been chosen by the council to be the face of ketchup. Actually, I just lived next door and wanted to help out. They said okay. The voice of giants. As if giants were some sort of voiceless minority. But most importantly, answer any and all questions brought forth with all due regard and seriosity. You can send all your questions, be they giant or ketchup, to Ask Shea at Giant Ketchup.